Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Really quickly, we have a couple things coming up. Right here, I am making sourdough starter, and I'm going to share how I do that with you. And it's also going to be one of the giveaways for my contest when we reach 5,500, which we're only 100 away. So please share my channel. It's going to be a requirement to enter the contest. Let me know when you share, and I'll let you know the other requirements. We're probably going to do a live. One of the things I'm going to be giving away is sourdough starter, and I'm going to be shipping it, and I'm going to be dehydrating it so that you can start your own starter. You don't have to worry about the starter going bad in the mail or whatever, and I'll tell you more about that. The other thing that's coming up is I am getting a surprise tomorrow, and I will be doing an unboxing. It's something that I've wanted for a very, very long time. A lot of you will be surprised that I don't have one already. If you can guess, you get a free sourdough starter. How's that? We'll do that. So it's something that I don't have, but I certainly need to can. But I've never had one. So if you guys can guess what it is, free sourdough starter for you. You'll be the first one to get the sourdough starter when I dehydrate it. Other than that, we've got some gardening, end of summer gardening going on, and then some fall gardening starting. It's just starting to get cold here. You guys know I live at the beach. The mornings are kind of chilly. I'm really cold right now. It's like 60 something out, but I'm cold. So that's how it goes at the beach. So otherwise our weather is really good. But I'm still getting zucchini, I'm still getting tomatoes, I'm still getting eggplants and peppers. Let's see, what else am I getting? My beans are sprouting again. The plants that I had on there are blooming. So it's been an interesting year. I mean, everything that's going on, it's just been a really interesting year. So starting not this coming Monday, but the Monday after, we're going to be doing daily canning sessions again. And we're going to look forward to our giveaway. Lots coming up. Like I said, please share the channel. Help me get that last 100 subscribers, and we can do our giveaway. Thank you guys all for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please hit that bell. The bell notifies you when I upload videos. So there's going to be a ton of videos coming up. What I will and will not can is coming up. What I will and will not dehydrate. What to do with your canned food. What to do with your dehydrated food. How to can soups and stews. Because it's getting cold, you're going to want to be making your own soup and canning it, having it on the shelf for when you're hungry and you just don't want to cook. Some of those days, we're going to have some Instapot meals coming up, and lots and lots of videos, you guys. And I'm going to be doing a few lives. So like I said, please subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, especially if you've shared the video, let me know. And if you can guess what I'm getting tomorrow in the mail that I need for canning, but I don't already have, you get a free sourdough starter, the very first one that's coming out. I will see you guys later. Have a great, great Friday. Have a better weekend, and stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.